Congratulations, you just got your JoesDTF transfers. Now you want to know how to properly apply them. So I'm going to show you a quick video on exactly how to do that with a heat press. So the first thing you want to do is set your heat press to 290 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, you're going to want to check the pressure. You want to make sure you have firm pressure with JoesDTF transfers. This is so that the bond is properly adhering to the fabric. So make sure that that is correct before proceeding. Next, you're going to be preheating your garment for 5 seconds, which is going to take out the wrinkles and moisture. Then you're going to lay the DTF transfer with the rough side down or the image facing upward. You're going to want to use a cover sheet. This can be parchment paper, a Teflon sheet, a textured Teflon sheet, something to lay over your transfer. Then you're going to apply for only 5 seconds. You can peel JoesDTF transfers hot, warm, or cold, your preference. Then the last step is to cover your transfer one more time with your cover sheet and press for a full 10 seconds at your 290 degrees. And that is that. 20 quick seconds to get this awesome shirt done. That's all it takes with JoesDTF transfers. You just have to make sure that your heat press is set correctly. Make sure that you are using a heat press and not a home iron or an easy press. Just make sure that you're set to 290 degrees. Your pressure is firm and even throughout the entire garment, and the rest is that fast. So a quick recap: 5 seconds for the preheat, 5 seconds for the initial tack. You can peel hot and go right to the final application, which is 10 seconds to completely bond the entire transfer. Now it's done. 20 seconds, you can get almost 3 garments done in a minute. That's money in the bank. I have a few more shirts I have to do. I hope this one helped. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you. Thank you guys so much. Keep being a rock star.